And I am a girl. And she's a girl.
Yeah.
I'm a girl?
And I'm a man.
Girl, Emma.
Here, girl. I'm a man, girl. You.
They're all girls? Is Daddy a boy or a girl?
Whatever.
You're a guy.
He's a daddy.
Yes, a dad.
Okay. What is that? Are Daddy's boys or girls?
I'm God.
What's your name, miss?
Mommy.
Oh, what's
Your name is Mommy? What's your name for real?
Mama.
Are you Lily?
Daddy.
You're Daddy. You're silly.
Emma, what's your name? No, what's your real name?
Mama.
Emma, what's your real name?
Can I be your mommy?
Tell me what your real name is first. Go tell Aunt what your real name is first.
Yeah, what's your real name?
Emma.
Emma what?
No, you're Emma Spaghetti.
Emma Elizabeth Van Horn.
Or Emma Spaghetti. Where's Lily Linguini? You want to eat Lily Linguini? Let's go get her.